Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find MAC address on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. You can use network settings to find your MAC address. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left and go to Settings. Now from here, click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet if you're using that. Then click on Hardware Properties from the options available here. Now under Properties, you will see your MAC address available here. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.